Hello everybody. This is gonna be like a one day, actually not even a whole day. It's 4 p.m. on a Friday. I have been avoiding vlogging all week. Don't really know why, just wasn't really mentally into it. I have done almost nothing all week other than to launch the new products. Not really sure. Right now I'm actually just putting up the video. Again, I said it was Friday. This is only going out early access, 24-hour early access to channel members. So they'll get it early and then everybody else will get it on Saturday. So I need to upload this, and I know I've been mostly just staring at the screen. It probably should have gone out on Wednesday. I edited it Tuesday. Should have gone out to members on Tuesday. But to be honest, there's no real set date to upload from my channel. Just once a week. That's all that matters to me. And I stand by the fact that like I don't owe like the people who watch a video each week. It could mean that I'm just too busy to edit a video. Even this week, there's a whole chunk of the video where I was like doing my makeup and my hair, and I completely edited it out because I just didn't want to go through that footage. So it's really hard when you see your face back at you all the time. Like, I am the only person in all of my Instagram photos. I'm the one who's wearing the earrings and stuff and modeling the stuff in product photos. So it's a lot. It's a lot of my face, and sometimes it's just so much that you're just tired of yourself, you know? So, and this week's video is even a little shorter than it has been. It's like 17 minutes, which is better, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, I don't know. I'm rambling at this point in time. I don't really know what's going on. Yep, I also have an order I need to pack up, but actually this afternoon is going to be spent marathon sewing masks. I have a whole bunch that are like mostly sewn and ready to go. But, well, not ready to go. They're hemmed with the edge folded over and the pipe cleaner in. I need to sew them together and pleat them with the elastic in. So, yes. So, I'm gonna do that. And I will catch up with you when I'm sewing. And you guys can enjoy, I don't know, a montage of me sewing. It is time to sew. I have all of these backers and then all of these fronts, so they get matched up with a white layer. And then I have some pre-cut elastic. My mom cuts it all for me, which is super helpful actually, because it's one of those tasks that's just so mind-numbingly boring and feels like I shouldn't be wasting my time on it, but it's absolutely necessary. So, yes. Alright, let's get sewing. Want to see a cool trick? You won't be able to see that. Hey Alexa, turn on sewing machine.
Okay.
Hello. Okay. So, my back aches. I've got all of these sewn to be squares right now with the elastic in them. Only this one here that I turned right side out. So now I just need to turn them right side out. I have food being delivered soon because I ordered food so I could keep sewing. And my sister's just keeping an eye out for it to be delivered. I'll need to press these when I'm done. My dog would like some attention, probably her dinner. Yes, Abby? Yes, would you like your dinner? In a minute. My back is just, oh, it hurts so much. My back always hurts when I sit down and sew for long periods of time. I tend to plan my sewing a little better and give myself breaks. But this needed to get done. There's over 30 masks here, so just needed to have a marathon sewing session. Next up will be after I get my dinner and eat it, that I need to put the pleats in, and that takes a little while because I have to fold them all, and I eventually run out of these little clip things, so fold them all and then sew them all and then press them again. Then I have to package them, but I think I'm going to save the packaging and take all of that with me to the store tomorrow and do that, because I'll have a flat surface that I can work on, and I can bring all of that with me to do in like that first hour when we first open and nobody's in the store. Yeah. Some of these patterns are really cute. Like this is skating sheep. Super cute. Anyway, the key to getting like a really good line on masks and making them look nice is pressing them a lot. Really using steam too, which I think I need to put water in my iron because I think it's almost out. Oh yeah, this one is polar bears. This one feels a little Christmassy, but it's also very wintry, so I'll show you just a second here. Got some polar bears. None of these will be on my site, just because these are all for Happy Thoughts, so I'm not sure if we'll even put them up on the website or not either, so. Dude, you stink. I'm talking to the dog, by the way. She's always stinky. Okay, so I'm gonna keep doing this. I know I took a lot of sewing footage, so I think what I'm gonna do is take the full footage, put it up on my ASMR channel, because, you know, I haven't put anything up there in a long time. And then I'll just use some smaller clips for this video. So that if you want to watch the whole thing, it's like 45 minutes solid of me sewing, and it'll probably be more because the pleating will be in there too. I'll put that together and you can go watch it there, and then there'll just be some shorter clips in this video, because you do not need an hour-long video of just sewing. You don't. Most people will be bored. There'll be a ton of ads. Nah, that sounds awful. Okay, I'll catch up with you guys after, when I'm pressing and back to sewing. Good morning, everyone. Hey, look at that. I look like an angel. I did not get to finish my sewing last night, so now I am rushing to press and pleat all of the masks before I have to be at the store for 11 o'clock. I have to leave here at 10, so I've set an alarm. I have about 2 hours to get everything done. I know I'm not packaging it, but I do need to pack up all the packaging materials to take with me, as well as my computer, other work things that I can do at the store. Sometimes it gets too busy to do those things, but the packaging definitely needs to happen. So, yeah, that's what I shall be doing. I figured you'd want to watch me press stuff now. I'm not sure. Who knows? Let's see. It does make fun noises, so I'm just gonna set you in a drawer over here. I'm done sewing. I just need to do the final press of the masks, put them in the bag, pack up my shit, and go to the store. I also have a little stalker back there because her bed is in the washing machine. Well, it's in the dryer now because she peed in it because she's a jerk. And so she doesn't have anywhere to lay down, and she's mad about it, and she wants everyone to know, don't you, Abby? You want everybody to know that you're mad at me. That's okay, I can take it, and then my room won't smell like pee anymore. Oh, you're cute. It's a good thing you're cute, you know? It's a very good thing you're cute. Yes. Oh, yes. You're so cute. Are you a little ham? And don't normally look at the camera like that. Yeah. You just want all the lovin's. All the lovin's. Oh, yeah. Okay. I have to go and iron. And Abby needs to go literally anywhere else that is not my lap. And, let's get this done. Okay, so I need to collect all of the things for taking with me to the store. That involves cellophane bags, mask care cards. I also have to bring these labels, which I seem to only have this one sheet left of. Oh no, there's more here. Here we go, just in case. I'm pretty sure I have way more than enough on one sheet, but it's fine. So I need these. And the care card on the bottom. Then I need these, and I'm just gonna pop them in there. That's that. Bob's your uncle. I mean, I do actually have an Uncle Bob, but I don't like him very much, so. Okay, I'm gonna go. I think I'm gonna end it here. I'm not gonna take you guys to the store with me. It's very boring there. It's hard to vlog there. So I'll catch up with you guys soon. Bye!